It's negative degrees in Minnesota, January 6th, 2025. How do I turn my heated steering wheel on my X3? Well, let's take a peek. First of all, you gotta get in it. You don't need a key. You have keyless entry, so you have a key with you. Now what do you do? Well, turn it on. Then what do you do? Well, on the left side of your steering wheel, there's a button. What does that do? That's the heated steering wheel. Push that, and your steering wheel will turn on. Here's your heated seats. Wow, that's pretty cool. Guess what? They never turn off. I don't know if the steering wheel turns off. I don't think it does. But my other car, these turn off on their own as they get warmer, which is nice. Otherwise, get cooked. Otherwise, I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe. But that's how you heat up your steering wheel. Then you can push it again. That's why it turns off. Little red light. There you go. Hope you enjoy. Thanks. I should also note that you have heated seats in the rear of your vehicle. Isn't that nice? But guess what? There's not actually a cigarette lighter. It's just a plastic insert. It's a dummy. You can also control your heat back here. Cold, hot, open, shut. Sorry. Open, shut, cold, hot. I had an X5, and in the winter I always had it on here. It took me a while to figure out, well, it's not gonna get warm. So you do that. There you go. More heating. Enjoy. Please like and subscribe.